If you're in the market for a new Linux distro, you might have come across Dank Linux, but is it really worth your time? Let's dive into what it offers and see if it lives up to the hype, or if it's just another flavor of Linux. Dank Linux positions itself as a user-friendly distribution that's designed to cater to casual users and enthusiasts alike. Right off the bat, it features a clean, modern interface that is visually appealing. The setup process is straightforward, which is a big plus for newcomers who might feel overwhelmed by other distros. One standout feature is its pre-installed software selection, which includes essential applications for productivity and multimedia. This means users can hit the ground running without needing to hunt for apps post-installation. However, while it claims to be beginner-friendly, some aspects feel a bit lacking in documentation, which could leave new users scratching their heads at times. The community around Dank Linux is also worth mentioning. It seems to be growing, but it's not as robust as the more established distros. If you're someone who enjoys a lively user community for support, this might be a sticking point. Overall, while the distro has a lot going for it, some areas still feel a tad unclear or underdeveloped. Let's talk about the pros and cons. On the upside, Dank Linux offers a sleek interface and a solid initial software package, making it easy for newcomers to get started. The installation process is smooth, which is always a plus. However, there are some downsides. The documentation feels sparse, which can lead to frustration, especially for users who are new to Linux. Additionally, while the community is growing, it lacks the extensive resources and support that you might find with more popular distributions like Ubuntu or Fedora. Pricing isn't an issue since it's free, but if you're someone who relies heavily on community support, you might want to consider other options. Overall, Dank Linux might not be for everyone, but it could be a good fit for those looking to try something new. In conclusion, Dank Linux is worth a shot if you're curious about exploring a new distro without the usual complexities. It's great for casual users, but might leave more experienced users wanting in terms of community support and documentation. If you want a fresh experience, give it a try, but keep your backup options ready.